Our choices, decisions, and actions determine whether we end up with a snake or a ladder. Every decision we make gets us either closer to our individual and collective dreams or further away from them. A godly counselor brings you the mind of God about an issue, opportunity, or challenge confronting you. Great people do consistently what ordinary people do periodically. There is a reason why God has allowed every experience in your life. This book is a must-read book for everyone, especially those who are desiring to become great. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Stay blessed.